Hey everyone, welcome back. I want to remind you guys that buying the breakdowns or opening shorts on the breakdowns in a bear market is the easiest way to make money, especially after you've been breaking down below a pattern that's been consolidating for at least a few weeks here, if not like 100 days in this circumstance, or just maybe a month over here, okay? So if you guys did take the shorts with us over the past few days on the breakdown, you guys are looking pretty well. We talked about Link and stuff like that, ADA that had popped up a little bit more than normal. Those specific coins are down a little bit more, which has been pretty nice for us to trade, okay? Now, this 8 to 1 Ganfin level here, let me open up the monthly chart so you guys can see. This 8 to 1 Ganfin level, this is going to be crucial. We're only looking at it after the all-time highs over here. This data does not mean anything for the Ganfin level. We're on the verge of either bouncing off of this Ganfin if we can manage to hold for the rest of the month, which is kind of iffy at this point with the Federal Reserve meeting coming up next week, or we're going to break down below this and start really coming down hard, and later this month could really end up being a very bad month, okay? This Ganfin level is really going to be important, especially as you look at the weekly candle here. I think there's an opportunity for us to either move down below this level over the next day and 4 hours, which is when this weekly candle will end, or we have an opportunity to have one more fake out here where we have a little bit more of a bounce leading into next week, and then we have a flat out crash, which would probably trap a lot of newer investors. So if you guys are new, please be careful about that. There's a lot of traps right now, and they're very, very effective at capturing, taking money from new investors and giving it to all of us who know how to trade full time. Now, we have yet to close down below this 820 Ganfin level, so I'm stressing, even though we've already started the breakdown here, I think things may get more intense here as we break down below the Ganfin level and as we actually close down below it. I want to let you guys know. I want you guys to know to be careful with this, though. We have broken down below in the 4-hour chart before, then kind of cruise back up. I might want to be a little extra sure by making sure that the daily candle closes before buying in here. Or if you do want to buy on the 4-hour candle at the minute we close down below, which did lead to some good profits if you guys sold at that point, you guys really do want to have a stop loss here. I would say if you guys are just trading with spot trading or whatever, anywhere from a 1 to 4% stop loss on those shorts, and then just let the plan play out, if you will. But be very, very careful, because once we break down below this level, guys, I think shorts are going to have a good time. But preferably, I don't want to wait for the daily candle to close down below, just like here. And you can even wait for the following day, like you normally do, to come back up and buy as it retests that resistance, right? Comes back up, you can either open a short here or at the point of the breakdown. Either one works. Some people don't like the feeling of it coming back up because they're always afraid it's going to pop back up. That's an emotional thing. You guys can work through that pretty well. But very, very easily, guys, just keep track of this 8 to 1 Ganfin line. The moment we start breaking down below that, that's the moment where the fireworks start and you start to see all the Twitter guys panic again, okay? Thanks, everybody, and have a great rest of your day. And if you guys are members, I have a whole bunch of new videos I'm making for you guys, all the technical analysis with all the free options, calls, and stuff like that. Enjoy. Thanks.